Sealing a pothole before laying cold tarmac can improve adhesion and longevity when done correctly. Cold lay tarmac adheres best to a clean, dry, and stable base. So start by removing loose debris and raking out any standing water, then use a stiff brush or air blower to get down to firm material. If the substrate is dusty or porous, apply a thin coat of bitumen primer or driveway sealant and allow it to tack up until it is just sticky but not wet. This promotes a chemical bond and reduces the chance of the patch debonding under traffic. For modern advanced cold lay mixes that advertise built-in adhesion, follow the manufacturer recommendations and test a small area first, because those mixes contain proprietary tackifiers that may perform well without primer. Compact the material in layers no thicker than 2 inches by using a hand tamper or a weighted plate compactor, keeping each lift level and evenly compressed to avoid future settlement. Dress the edges by feathering the tarmac into the surrounding pavement so water cannot undermine the repair, and slope the finished surface slightly to shed water away from the patch. Finish by sealing the surface edges with a bead of binder or sealant if you used primer earlier, and allow traffic only after the product has cured according to the product guidance. Common mistakes include leaving the pothole dirty or wet, which prevents bonding. Solve that by thoroughly cleaning and drying the hole before any primer or cold mix is placed. Another issue is overfilling a single thick lift, which can compress unevenly and fail. Avoid that by placing and compacting in thinner layers and ensuring full compaction with the correct tool. A third problem is using primer when the chosen cold mix is formulated to stick on its own, which can trap solvents or interfere with bonding. Check the product instructions and, if unsure, try a small test patch or contact the manufacturer for compatibility advice. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like driveway and pothole repairs, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their area. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, experiences, and product recommendations.